Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I want to introduce you to a powerful tool. It's called ElevenLabs.io. It's the world's most powerful video intelligence platform. You can find anything, discover deep insights, analyze, remix, and automate workflows with AI that can see, hear, and reason across the entire video content. Just like human beings see a video, the AI can see through this video. So what is the use case of it? Let's say you have a 3-hour video or a movie and you want to find out a particular scene in which, let's say, one person is getting graduated. So you don't have to watch the entire movie. The AI will watch the entire movie and find out which is that particular instance, and it will pinpoint to that timestamp, and you can find out. Similarly, if you want to analyze a video and find out how many times a particular character is appearing in the video, so it can count all those things for the entire duration of the video instead of you going and counting it manually. So it can do a lot of things using video. So it has been used by prominent companies like Oracle, AWS, Amazon, NVIDIA, MongoDB. So they have a world-class infrastructure already in place, which has a very high level of accuracy, and it is a monumental scale. Their powerful infrastructure handles the largest video libraries, even petabytes of data with total customization, and it is deployable anywhere. So let's get started on how it gets interesting. So before I dive into the actual demo, so let's see what this does. So this is the raw video library. So there are various models, Marengo, Pegasus, which contains this video embeddings. Then from there, they have a search API, which can pinpoint exact moments in large video. Library is using the sophisticated search model. It can analyze using Analyse API, instantly generate any text format about your videos through prompting. It has the embed API. It gets multimodal vector embedding to help semantic and hybrid searching, recommendation systems, and more. So this is how it works. So now let's see how it's done on the real ground, how it works. So you can upload various videos here, 4 seconds to 1 hour. Resolution is 360 pixels to 4K videos are permitted, and file size is less than 2 GB per video. To upload videos up to 2 hours, create an index with Marengo only. So you can search, analyze, embed. So these are some of the sample videos that is there. So I'm not going to go into the manual uploading a video because it might take some time. So I'm gonna go through a sample video. So let's say this, it has 18 videos. This has 163 videos. So select action, search. So I'm gonna search in this entire thing where exactly that I'm looking for. Okay, so I'll say in this video, is there an explosion there somewhere? Okay, I'm just searching for it. So is there a thief? So this is a very small set of videos. So let me see. Okay, so I'm searching for explosion. Where exactly is the explosion? So now you see all the instances where I see an explosion. So I can pull any video and pull that out. See, you see here. Here I can see an explosion. Now here, where do I see the explosion? Something is happening in this train scene. In this area, you see? See, that is an explosion. Now if I look into any other video, let's say this, okay? There is an explosion. See, there is an explosion here. Now if you look at any other videos, so it shows you the confidence level with which it's saying that there's actually an explosion or not. So let's look at something like this. Yeah. Okay, so here I think it's a celebration, but it's classifying it as explosion. Okay, so in that way you can analyze and search videos. So now I'll show you how Analyze is done. Okay, so now let's go to Analyze section. So it's asking me to select a particular video to analyze. So here I will have to manually upload a video. Then I can say a timestamp and say that, okay, so let's see. Okay, so in this video, let's see what I want to ask in this video. Okay, I will ask how many times lipstick is shown in this video. how many times red lipstick is shown in the video. You could ask anything. I'm just asking it. How many times red lipstick is shown in the video? I have not watched the entire video. So you see here Pegasus is retrieving this video embeddings. So it's a 5-minute video. You see, that is once it is shown the lipstick. So I'm asking it how many times it's showing that lipstick. Red lipstick is shown multiple times throughout the video. It appears early in the video, then during the makeup application process, and is featured prominently in various segments showcasing the product. Specifically, red lipstick is shown approximately 6 distinct times in the video. So you get the answer instantly. So this way you can analyze a long video and get that results. So this could be easy if you are trying to summarize something from a CCTV footage. Instead of watching hours of CCTV footage, you can just ask, where is the dog running in this video? Do you see a cat entering the house? So many things you can ask using this. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.